Though 5 years have passed since bloody civil war was brought to an end in the Republic of Altus.
Thousands of families remain displaced. Refugees scattered across countries around the Mediterranean.
The FIA are becoming increasingly desperate as AAF
With the U.S.-led peacekeeping deployment coming to an end of its mandate, NATO forces...
As millions of dollars of military equipment and infrastructure is decommissioned.
Opinion is split as to the wisdom of the drawdown.
In light of CSAT forces stepping up joint military exercises in the
The
Pacific.
U.S. is keen to reorient its conventional forces, reinforcing
The Mediterranean basin representing a strategic fault line between crumbling European
The
influence.
streets of Paris and Rome were ablaze last night as military and forces
Argue that the withdrawal could not come at a worse time.
AAF forces begin to consolidate their position on
The backing of Canton Protocol forces, equipment and training.
fire again was used as a platform to push the legitimacy of the government.
Parliament was recalled for an urgent debate and a vote over the possible redeployment of British peacekeeping forces.
Prime Minister Nicholas Ramsden said he would respect the defeat of his government's motion.
Effectively ruled out the possibility of any extension to the NATO deployment in the former sovereign territory.
Please disembark in an orderly fashion.
So why do we get stuck with it?
Why do you think we're shipping out? We did our time, we kept our peace. Now we get to go play with the big boys in the Pacific.
Corporal Ben Kerry, reporting for duty.
At ease. Okay, there's been a slight change of plan. Commander McKinnon requires logistical support down at Camino. He just left as you guys are coming in.
Any idea why, sir?
No, Corporal. Now take the trucks over there. Should probably get a move on.
Understood, sir.
How did things get this fucked anyway?
Come on, it's hardly like it's a surprise. The economy's been in a fucking tank for a decade, at least.
Yeah, but CSAT? How'd we ever let that happen, you know?
Not our call anymore. They got jobs, growth, influence. Fucking China, man.
Well?
Sounds like McKinnon needs some heavy lifting done at Camino. I'll drive.
You sure you can handle that?
Fuck you, man.
Sergeant Lacey, grab that second truck. We're headed down to Camino. Hold up a second there, Staff Sergeant. Let us get out of your way. Sure, appreciate it.
You know, Kerry, the service here sure is excellent sometimes. Take a left at the T-junction. And Kerry, do try not to make roadkill of the local wildlife. The greenbacks already hate our guts. We need to at least keep the goat population on side. You copy that, soldier?
Minimize collateral damage, sir. Hearts and minds, sir.
There's a checkpoint up ahead. Slow it down. Nice and easy.
Jesus, those greenbacks seem really on edge, huh?
No kidding. I better give Lacey the heads up.
Sergeant Lacey, be advised, greenbacks are really waving their dicks around today. Be on your best behavior at the checkpoint, soldier. You got that?
Yes, Staff Sergeant. I'll put on my best smile, sir.
You know, I don't even think they even know what they're looking for, Kerry. Did you catch that one, Kerry? It's all clear. Oh, sure. Okay. I mean, Christ, give me a break. What a complete waste of time these people are. Whatever. Let's just get to Camino. Wait, is that McKinnon? Shit! Stop the truck, Kerry! He's not breathing. What the hell happened? Staff Sergeant Adams to Camino. Come in. Commander McKinnon's down. Requesting urgent assistance. Over. Camino, I say again, requesting urgent medical support at our position. Commander McKinnon is down. Please respond.
Camino to Broadway! Shots fired! Requesting support! Broadway, do you copy? Over!
Camino, Broadway, we read you. Wait one.
Adams, this is Rogaine. Get your asses back here. Over!
Copy, Rogaine, but what about Camino? What the fuck is going on?
No buts, Staff Sergeant. That's an order. Out!
Understood, sir. Out. What the fuck is going on? Shit. Come on, Kerry. It'll be safer on foot.
Right behind you, sir.
Copy that, Camino. Dispatching reinforcements. Just hold on.
Echo, we see explosions at Camino. Gunfire across the island. Broadway, give me a report.
Situation unclear, Echo. Wait one.
Sir, you got any idea what's going on?
Not a clue. Sounds like a goddamn invasion.
Wait, CSAT?
Stay alert. Get set for contact. Hostiles! Kerry, attack that
Broadway to all NATO forces on Stratis. Green on blue. I say again, green on blue. AAF forces considered hostile. Hold your ground. Out.
Kerry, engage that machine gunner. Run! Target down! He's down!
What the literal fuck? Are you kidding me?
I don't know what the hell's going on right now. Just stay focused, Kerry. Eyes open. Okay, we've just had a run-in with greenback forces in the forest to your south. Over. Camp Rogaine, do you read? Over.
Rogaine to Broadway. We're under heavy assault. Send backup. Over!
That's a negative, Rogaine. Broadway to all NATO forces on Stratis. Code Foxtrot. Code Foxtrot. AAF forces have overwhelmed the airfield and Air Station Mike 26. We're pulling back. Try to get...
Fuck! What do we do, sir?
Stay focused. Point X-ray's just over the hill. Our best bet is to RV with them and take it from there. Area clear. Move up. Move 75 meters front.
Jesus. Brogaine's taking a beating.
Let's hope X-rays had better luck. Move it! Move up. Soldier, 75 meters left. Kerry, fire on the medic. Contact medic. Soldier, 75
That's not exactly a good sign.
Move 75 meters. Front. Clear. Wait, I hear a chopper. It's one of ours.
Echo to all units in the Rogaine area. We're setting up an evac point in LZ Baldy. Over.
Echo, this is Staff Sergeant Adams. We're en route. It's just the two of us, part of a detachment from Rogaine. We're moving out from Point X-ray now. How copy?
Affirmative. We'll hold, but we can't stall forever. Over.
Your godsend, Echo. Don't worry, we'll be there. Out!
Echo to all units. We just got buzzed by a fast mover. Expedite. Out.
Kerry, attack that rifleman. Northwest.
Rifleman, 200 meters, front.
Kerry, fire at that soldier. Northwest. Move 100 meters. Front.
Target neutralized.
Target's down. Kerry, engage that machine gunner. Northwest. He's down. Shit. Echo, fast mover vectoring on your position. Get out of there. Echo, do you copy? Echo!
Now what, sir?
Shit. I don't know, we're out of options. We need to get out in the open, now! Rogaine's down, Camino's fucked! It's only bad news back where we came from. We've got to head south. There's a forest just over the hill.
A forest? Are you serious?
If you got any better ideas, feel free to share. Let's go! Rifleman, 600 meters, north. Kerry, attack that rifleman, north. Covering fire! Move out! Move 200 meters, front! Covering fire! Soldier, 600 meters, north! Okay,
let's go! Go, on cover!
Target down!
Kerry, engage that man! West! Soldier, 100 meters front!
Target's down! Gotta reload!
Okay, let's go!
Clear! Move 300 meters front.
Soldier! 100 meters, right!
Kerry, engage that machine gunner! Right flank! Come on, there's the forest.
On the move!
Man, half a click west!
Soldier! Half a click west!
Machine gunner, 100 meters back!
Target's down! Target neutralized! Cover me! Reloading!